if you got a really strip bolt like this, get you a set of these. I don't care what brand. 3/8 impact bolt nut driver set. It was a 17. Put that right on there and got it off in like 20 seconds. I was messing with this bolt for like hours. I recommend was. I don't care what brand it is. Just make sure they're kind of somewhat good quality. Just Chinese ones or whatever. But my local hardware store didn't have it because it's a 17 millimeter. So it's kind of big. But get you some of these if you're having issues with a rounded off bolt. They don't even slip or nothing. This one comes in 1/4, 10 millimeter, smallest to 3/4, 3/4, and 9 millimeter, 19 millimeter. There you go. Get you some of these.